Ever struggled to point things out on your screen during a presentation or tutorial? That tiny default cursor can be nearly impossible to see. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to make your cursor much bigger and more visible, just like this funny big hand cursor. Please keep following me. You will learn to do like this, using a fantastic free tool called Pen Attention. It's perfect for when you're projecting your screen. Go to this link. I've given this link in the description. The source is open too, so I am sure you can trust this software. You can download Installer or Zip. I am using Zip for my purposes, but the choice is yours. Run the software. It will not show any window, but you can see that in the system tray. On System Tray, right-click and click on Settings. You need check Highlight Mouse as well as Pen checkbox. You can set shortcut keys like Control F9 or Control Alt F9. I'm selecting Control F9 to toggle the highlight feature. Well, now we want to set image for the cursor. For that, you need to rename the PNG to custompen.png. Restart the program. Click on Show Pencil in the options. Now you can see the arrow. Okay, here's the main part. Now I'm going to use a hand image instead of this arrow. Let me remove or rename old arrow image, and we shall keep the new hand image name to be custompen.png.
The software is running, so I could not rename the image. I am going to close the program. I am renaming the image now. After that, remember to restart the program. One more important thing is that you need to click on Show Pencil in the System Tray Program section.
Wow, now you can see the big hand. You can point, click, drag, or do anything. This is how you can make big hand cursor in Windows. I hope this video was helpful to you.